Hey everyone, it was an amazing 4 week experience with SOS Tech, and it has been really a cool application that we built using React.js, and it's a multi to do list. Do you want to see how it looks? Check this out. Basically, we have used React.js and also Code Sandbox in this case because Code Sandbox is easy and portable, and we have used a combination of both class components as well as functional components with hooks so that you're not missing out on both the previous ones and the new ones. And the fun part is, you want to see how this works? Here's you go. So this is the complete demo of what we did, and if I refresh the page, you'll be able to see a multi to do list, which is a multi-level to do. And let's say we want to add a new section, so DevOps, and then there is a DevOps section here. And if I want to add some items, by the way, it is also available immediately here. And if you want to add some items here under no items, let me put a new item, and maybe I'll put another one. You can also see that this button changes based on the context. Another item, and then it gets reset to new section. So this is super cool, right? Do you want to know how it is done? Don't forget my next video series on how I did this, and it was amazing to meet a lot of new individuals learning something totally new. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe. See ya.